Hello everybody. I'm going to select a document, which is the big plus sign, and it says blank. Then I'm going to go File, New, and Drawing. I'm going to select Shapes and then select the Rectangle tool. I'm going to drag the cursor from the upper left to the bottom right. Then I'm going to select the paint bucket and select white for my background color. Next I'm going to select Shapes and Circle. I'm going to drag that cursor to create my circle. I'm going to move it up a little bit to the right or the left using my rulers as a guide. Then I'm going to select a background color with the paint bucket. Then I'm going to select Shapes and Circle. I'm going to drag my cursor. I'm going to have basically a circle inside a circle. I'm going to adjust it from the left side and the right side. I'm going to select that shape, and actually the outside shape and the inside shape to give them the color that I choose. And I'm going to select Shapes and Circle again. I'm going to drag it to create some ovals. And select my color with my paint bucket tool. Then I'm going to select it and say Copy and Paste. So I'm going to have two eyes on my emoji. And I'm going to select that second eye and move it over. I'm going to use a ruler to help me place those eyes so that they're an equal distance from the center ruler. I'm going to select the shapes again and curve. Now this is a pretty cool tool, the curve tool, but it just takes a little bit of playing around with it to kind of get the hang of it. And when I first started using it, I thought, oh man, this tool is just going to be too difficult to master. But after I just kept playing with it a bit more, now I'm kind of got the hang of it. But every time I use it and practice with it, I get a little bit better, and so will you. And you can see as I'm using it, I'm kind of flexing a little bit to the right to left to kind of make sure I'm getting the shape that I want. I'm selecting the paint bucket, create the color inside the mouth of the emoji. Now I've selected my curve tool again, and I'm trying to follow the line of the upper part of the mouth because I'm going to draw some teeth. Okay, there you go. I'm going to select the paint bucket tool and white for the color of my teeth. I'm going to name this drawing Emoji Smiling. I'm going to click Save. And I'm going to type my email address, rebecca.hinson@palmbeachschools.org. I'm going to send it to myself, and there you have it, a smiling emoji. Now, after you create your emoji, I want you to email it to me, rebecca.hinson@palmbeachschools.org. You'll see my picture pop up when you've got the right email address, and so send that to me. I want to see what you drew. Thanks, everybody.